Indian Ocean trade route.
Trading partners.
The Mediterranean traded ceramics, glassware, wine, gold, and olive oil. East Africa traded ivory, gold, and iron.
Arabia traded frankincense, myrrh, and perfumes. India traded grain, spices, and timber.
Southeast Asia traded tin, sandalwood, cloves, nutmeg, and mace. China traded silks, porcelains, and tea.
Modes of transportation.
Dhow ships with lateen sails.
Technology.
Sahara Trading Network.
They learned how to store massive loads of cargo. Ideas.
So the monsoons affected the way that travel went. So the different ways is like one could go faster. So from Arabia to Africa, it went a lot faster. So Islam spread to Africa more quickly.
Hey, do you want to get converted to Islam?
Yes.
The Srivijaya got rich because they taxed the Straits of Malacca.
Important trading centers.
Malinga.
Mombasa,
Zanzibar.
Cambay,
Surat.
Guangzhou.
Thanks for watching. Deleted scenes!
Srivijaya got rich because they attacked the Straits of Malacca.
Tats.
The